Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Song Beyond the World, also known as Fuge Across the World, chapter 61. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Gyeonji. Right now, her voice is sleeping, and she was sleeping soundly. Kyunji, at this moment, she was looking at her. Now she's trying to reach her face. Well, Kyunji, she was suddenly blushing. Kyunji trying to poke her voice. Well, looking at this girl, she was really playful. Jaehyunji, she's trying to restrain herself, probably. She really feels something for her, but right now, she was hesitating how to confess her feelings. Now she's trying to reach her, soft caress, soft and being gently towards her. Well, probably. He's trying to comfort her, but since she was really sleeping, all she can do right now is play with her a little things. She touched her lips, but suddenly Kyunji feels. But even this invincible touch makes my heart beat faster. Well, she was right. Right now, she's trying to avoid it and run fast. Can't stay in this room any longer. I'm really afraid that I will do something even more inappropriate things. Well, at least right now, she knows how to restrain her feelings. Also, how to escape from this case. Well, Kyunji, she is really brave, also courageous. Even though in terms like that, she really restrained herself not to do bad things, especially she promised herself that one day she will tell that what's on her mind. Well, it was a good choice for now. Now, let's go back to our main story. Xiaoying and Yangzhou. Xiaoying's house on other side. She was sending off troublesome people. She is pertaining to Gyeonji. Yangzhou said to Xiaoying, "This is great." And Xiaoying said to her, "Then she will chat with me again." Well, of course, right now, they don't be bothered by Gyeonji because she was busy on something. Xiaoying said, "You have to make it up to me." Now, she was really blushing. She was expressing her feelings towards Yangzhou. Yangzhou said, "Compensate? You can do it now." Oh, it turns out Yangzhou, she wanted to tease her. Right now, looking at her hands, it was really shaky. When she tried to reach Xiaoying, well, the two of them seems to be new. Xiaoying said to her, "You are wrong. You are my moon." But hearing this, Xiangzhu said, "What?" Of course, right now, she was really surprised by the sudden action of Xiaoying. Xiaoying moved closer to her and untying her clothes. Well, this is it. Xiaoying at this moment, since it is a compensation, it has to be what I want. Oh, Xiaoying, right now, she was really blushing. Although some of the photons are getting unbuttoned. Right now, Yangzhou, she's trying to read in. It seems like it's like a difficult. What she want is, well, of course, she know what Xiaoying's really want from her, and that's why she restraining herself. But Xiaoying, she must be getting impatient. She moved closer to Yangzhou and she kissed her with a gently. But Yangzhou, she gladly accepts Xiaoying's feeling, and she kissed her back also. Well, this is the moment when we're looking and waiting for. Right now, the two of them finally are getting rekindled. The feelings already coming from the heart of the two of them. It was the first time that I saw Xiaoying like this. Well, Yangzhou was right. This is the first time that Xiaoying is really pushing herself towards Yangzhou. But, of course, Yangzhou, all she can do is to get back on her. She moved closer and also untie hers. Well, Xiaoying, seems that there's a lot of photo already done, but looking at her, she was a little bit blushing when she looking at Yangzhou. Yangzhou, seeing her, it really makes her mesmerized. Really like her body, Xiaoying said to herself. Of course, right now, it's like it was a bright view for her. Seeing everything like that, Xiaoying at this moment, she was really being pushy. She leaned forwards toward Yangju, and all she wanted to do is to punish her like that. Well, looking at her face, seems to be a little bit mischievous around her mind right now. Yangju, I miss you so much and I really want to stay like this. Oh, this girl. Now, she really know how to coax people, even though she know that Yangju is a little bit suffering. Of course, she really want to compensate her, like she's going to punish her, making her happy so much. Seeing everything like this, now Yangju's eyes become shining. Of course, she really like everything, especially what Xiaoying's do to her. But, of course, right now, seems that the two of them are really enjoying the company of each other, especially for Xiaoying. Yangzhu, she's not stopping her, but also letting Xiaoying to do whatever she wants on Yangzhu. But now, Yangzhu, she's a little bit shaky. I can hardly stand anymore. Of course, she really feels uncomfortable, especially Xiaoying. She won't stop. She won't ever stop. Well, this punishment was really too much for Yangzhu. Of course, at this moment, it seems that she can really bear it through. This punishment is too much for her. But for Xiaoying, she seems to be enjoying everything. That's why she won't stop and continue to tease her, even though Yangzhu was shaky. Now, looking at Xiaoying, since you know how to coax people, of course, she is minding sly. She really want to teach her lessons. But Xiaoying, at this moment, said to herself that the way she is now, it's so cute. Well, of course, seeing Yangchu getting punished and act like this, of course, it's really make her happy. Yangchu, since she cannot stand straight right now, she was leaning to her shoulder. This is what only I can see. Well, at this time, let's go to the room again. Xiaoying said to Yangzhu, but of course, right now, Yangzhu, she was really declining her. Well, maybe she got really tired, but this girl, she has a lot of energy left on her body. But Yangzhu, looking at the poor girl, she really can't stand alone. That's why she was hugging Xiaoying to keep herself in stand so she won't fall down on the floor. How come she is so inspiring no matter where she is? Well, the story is getting crazy. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!